I'm here with Lance, and Lance, you're the training specialist for Envision UK. Obviously, there's a lot of manufacturers, there's a lot of products. What sort of training can you obviously give the dealers that will show up today?
So here today we're showing off the training courses that we offer, which are really designed and orientated around our integration products. So there's a lot of generic skills that you can pick up out of our courses, but what the real focus is when you get that box delivered to your office or your site, is knowing what to do with it. So not just getting it out of the box and plugging it in, but then how do I configure that? How do I integrate that into another system? So we have a lot of practical-based hands-on courses which allow us to go through each of the steps that you take when you're first starting a system. It allows us to make sure that the products that you do take on, that you can confidently use those and spec those into the next job.
And those sorts of training programs, obviously a lot of the installers and dealers are fairly sort of busy people. Is that just sort of, do they have to come to you, or can they do that from home? How does the sort of program work?
So we do varying styles in training. We have two different approaches to training courses. The first approach is the more traditional classroom style, so we have everybody come down to our offices or any of our regional locations throughout the country. We sit down, we get the product out and we start programming it, and we start doing hands-on training courses inside there. Obviously that's really for the programming side of stuff. That does take up all day for those courses. For other types of learning that you may want to get out of our brands, you may be looking at how to specify some of the products. And when it comes to specifying products, we don't necessarily want to take up a whole day of your time. So we do webinars, so web-based training courses. They're live courses, they're interactive, so you can openly ask as many questions as you like. You can do it all from the comfort of your own home. We offer those roughly once a month, and they're just how to connect everything together, how to specify the product, and we help give you the confidence to know that if I spec this touch panel or this touch panel, I know actually that they work the same in the background. It's just the interface that I give the customer that will vary.
Well, it sounds like a great program. Thank you for talking to us today.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, Lance.
Thank you.